Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out these short haircut ideas. So the first one starts off with a classic bob. This one does have blunt bangs in the front, which really just creates a gorgeous Cleopatra overall feel to the look. The bangs end just above the brow line, and the bob ends just around the neck area. This is a gorgeous classic shape. And then the next hairstyle on our list is going to be this bob with highlights. So she does have this gorgeous blonde highlights throughout this bob. The stylist cuts the hair into a bob that ends around shoulder length, and then he adds in the stunning waves that you see here. This really just created some texture and overall volume to the look. She does have side swept bangs, but if she wanted to, she could move the parting to the center as well, just to play around with the style and create some different looks with it overall. But this is an overall gorgeous bob. So next on our list is going to be this purple Mixie haircut. The hair is this stunning kind of lavender shade. And if you guys don't know what a Mixie is, it is pretty much a short mullet haircut, a combination between the mullet and the Pixie. This gorgeous purple is stunning, perfect for spring and summer, a great way to kind of jazz up your hair with some pastel colors. So next on our list is going to be this stunning pink faded pixie cut. So she starts off with a regular kind of undercut pixie style. The stylist does end up cutting the hair into more of a faded shade. And then she does have the lining detailing on the side as well. Then the stylist proceeds to color the hair. He of course lightens it first and then goes in with the pink dyed color. I think that this rose gold tone looks gorgeous against her warm complexion. Really just helps brighten up her complexion overall. The makeup and everything is gorgeous. And you guys already know that rose gold and pink tones are trending right now, so that haircut is very, very becoming. So next up we have this classic pixie haircut. So for this one, the stylist does start off with very long hair. I believe her hair is probably around waist length or so. He places the hair in rubber bands and then begins to grab the clipper in order to cut the hair down. So because her hair is placed in the rubber bands, more than likely she is going to be donating the hair. That is typically what they do when they are getting ready to donate it. It also makes the cutting process a whole lot easier as well. So there we have her hair being placed. And then here we have the end result for this classic pixie. Absolutely gorgeous overall, the way that this shape came out. Stunning pixie haircut. Definitely a classic look. Alright you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed checking out these haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and of course subscribe for more fashion and beauty.